dogs and cats. I have this set up already. I'm just gonna explain this for you in ways you can understand. Now you have a bunch of steps here, right? So as I was saying, the programming is just the tool. And what you will notice here is there are a lot of stuff that comes in before the programming aspect, right? First, you have to come up with your question. Second, you have to plan where to take your data set from. So these are just steps. Now, in building a dogs versus cats classifier, I mean, this notebook has a lot of codes, but then codes and graphs, but these are the steps in summary. First is we do imports and data pipeline. So the planning is this concept of programming a model in such a way that is kind of inspired with the brain, right? It learns for itself. You do not have to teach it. You do not have to teach it. If you have ever used Python before, right? I mean, you know Python, print hello world, Java, system.out.println hello world, JavaScript console.log. If you have used all of this programming language, what you realize is whatsoever you are doing, you have to explicitly program the computer to tell you that you have to do this. Right? We have if else and all of these conditionals. But here is a different approach. Right? This is the concept of deep learning and AI. So we take a data, we feed it into our model, and then we train it in such a way it's gonna learn patterns through the data. That's one. And second, we implement our model. So you have different ways of coming up for your model. You can use a pre-trained model, right? You can build your own model from scratch. I always prefer building a model from scratch because what it does, yesterday the concept I gave was there's a reason why in school we are not allowed to use calculators from kindergarten to grade 9. And then high school we are allowed to use because they want to make sure we develop that critical thinking and problem solving skills. So these frameworks are like the calculators. I mean, in the real world, you do not have to build your model from scratch, right? You have to use existing models for most of the tasks you'll be working on.